First, we perform this multiplication, 3 over 2 multiplied by 2. The 2's cancel each other out, and only 3 remains. In the end, 15 divided by 3 gives us 5. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules of mathematics called the order of operations. The order of operations is known by the acronym PEMDAS, with each letter of PEMDAS representing a step. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. According to PEMDAS, we first calculate the parentheses, then we calculate the exponents, after the exponents we perform the multiplications and divisions, and finally we do the additions and subtractions. Multiplication and division have equal priority, so whenever both appear in an expression, move from left to right and perform whichever you reach first. This rule also applies to addition and subtraction. With these explanations, let's solve the question at the beginning of the video according to PEMDAS. Before solving the problem, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. 15 divided by 3 over 2 multiplied by 2, in this expression, there are both multiplication and division. Since multiplication and division have the same priority, we proceed from left to right and perform whichever operation we encounter first. In this expression, when we move from left to right, we first reach the division, so we first perform 15 divided by 3 over 2. To solve this part of the question, we use the KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Here's how it works: keep the first number as it is, change the division sign to multiplication, flip the second number, take its reciprocal. Therefore, the expression 15 divided by 3 over 2 is converted into 15 multiplied by 2 over 3. Then, 15 multiplied by 2 becomes 30, and 30 divided by 3 becomes 10. Finally, 10 multiplied by 2 becomes 20, so, our final answer is 20. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends. And subscribe to the channel.